Hi everyone, welcome from Acumen Accounting. Today's video is just to give you some tips and the information how you can appeal a penalty you have received from HMRC for not filing your tax return on time. So if you're going to submit your appeal to the HMRC, make sure you submit your return within the 30 days of the letter you have received. So appeal must be submitted within the 30 days of the letter you have received. And before you're going to do your penalty appeal, you need to make sure your tax return is submitted. Normally the deadline is 31st of January. And if your return is late, HMRC will send you a late filing of your tax return, the penalty notice you will receive in the post. And you need to make sure your returns is submitted on time. So before you're going to appeal to the HMRC, you need to make sure your return is submitted. If it's not, make sure you do it before even you're doing the appeal letter. Because otherwise HMRC will not consider any of your appeal because your return is still outstanding. So submit your tax return on time. If it's not been submitted, you will receive a penalty notice. You can appeal that penalty notice by writing to HMRC within the 30 days of the notice you have received. Make sure you use the correct address when you're sending your letter in the post. The address is easily available online on gov.uk website. I will share that address at the bottom of this video, so you have the correct information. You can always pick up a phone and speak to the HMRC. I will also share that phone number on that screen as you're watching this video, so you have the correct number to speak to the HMRC. So before you submitting your return, just make sure you're sending the appeal to the right address, and then you have a reasonable excuse for that penalty notice. HMRC consider all the appeals you're going to submit if that have a reasonable excuse. You can't just say that you don't have a time, you forgot about it. They're not going to accept your appeal. You must use a reasonable excuse. All the reasonable excuses which HMRC accept, the information is available online on their website. I will also share that link at the bottom of this video, so you can just go and visit and see what reasonable excuses are. Just don't come up with random excuses. I can tell you that they will not accept these random excuses. It has to be reasonable. Some people might be, fall ill because of this pandemic, COVID. There's a number of reasons you can use, but it has to be a reasonable excuse before you submit your return. Make sure you submit your return within 30 days and have a reasonable excuse. But again, if you think you need some further information, and if you don't have that kind of knowledge how to do it, you can simply pick up a phone. One of our team member will definitely help you. It's very straightforward. Make sure you do the appeal to your penalty notice, and in most of the cases HMRC will waive off all your penalties. Again, anything you want to ask, just leave a comment at the bottom of this video, or you can just send us a private message. Again, thank you for listening, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.